Personalities during the holidays, baby. Christmas time is here. And yes, I'm gonna try doing this video with a banana. Can't look cool eating a banana, so they all say. Who says I want to look cool? All right, here we go. Let's start off with the central personality, ISTJ. Keeping it all together, traditional and solid. ISTJ knows exactly where the ornaments were on the tree every year. And while you're not watching, they're gonna move one of them back to where that one was last year. ISFJ helped them do it. They're scurrying around making sure everybody's good, but in their quiet, like, you didn't even know they were there kind of way. Those phantom nurses, boy, do they love you and hate you at the same time. ESFJs walking around talking to everybody. All kinds of ideas. This. Making sure you're good. As soon as you answer the question of how are you actually doing, oh, it's been a hard year this year, they go, oh, okay. On to the next person. Side note, it's been a rough year for everybody, so I hope these videos have been helpful. Love you guys. All except for the ENTJ, who's still on their phone and somewhere. Where's the ENTJ? Oh, they're out in their Ferrari. Still making those phone calls. They probably funded the whole Christmas, by the way, so you should probably thank them. If you draw a heart in the snow on their windshield while they're in there on the phone, they'll find that funny, but very annoying at first. INFJ was outside with you, but now they're back inside, looking for the INFP somewhere. Oh, there they are. They're kind of in the middle of everything, but they're not saying much. On their phone, creating something, or just flat out daydreaming. Those INFPs, I tell you, finish your crap, bro. But for real, I want to see what you're sketching, so, you know, finish your drawings so that I can see it. I love you, Jason. Is that the ISTP? What the crap? Were they just in the garage? Oh, there they go again. They're doing something out there. ISTJ said, get out of the kitchen, but more like this. Get out of the kitchen. Shivers. But for real, you should get out of the kitchen. Let the ISTJ do their thing. You're walking around and observing everything now. Notice the ESTP's over there with a crowd, talking to people, telling stories, making them laugh, going about it. And then you hear somebody talking really loud in the other corner. It's the ENTP. Somehow the notion of Santa actually being real is a possibility. Thank you, ENTP. I never stop believing. Now the ENFP, either you're watching them come in with their grand entrance or they already came and went. You don't want to get sucked into anything you're doing because you know that they did not get you a Christmas gift. But they love getting gifts, so make sure you get your ENFP a gift. And if you didn't, I don't think that it doesn't matter. You're totally good if you want to give them money this year. Just don't expect them to give you money back. ESFP still making personality videos with a banana. Always on the go, aren't we? Walk in on the INFJ sleeping, taking a nap. Oh, sorry, didn't mean to disturb you. Oh, are you okay? Yeah, you okay? I was just taking a break. I'll be out there in just a minute. You need anything? No, I'm good. I'm good, thank you. Slowly close the door. All of a sudden, whoosh, the INFJ is back at it again. The INTP showing memes on their phone to anybody who will watch. INTJ is in the furthest corner of the room, also on their phone, making a sarcastic remark every few minutes. If that, if they've said anything at all. And if they have, it's pretty funny. NTP found another meme on their phone. That one's pretty good. That's a pretty good one, man. Somebody send the ESFJ to get groceries. Take the ISFJ with you. I'll make sure you get the right stuff. The ESTJ is still watching everything. They haven't said anything yet. Nothing escapes the ESTJ. Do I look cool eating a banana? Ask that guy with a banana. ISTJ spreads the word. One by one, the dinner is ready. INFJ is calling people to the table. One by one. That table was decorated spectacularly by that ISFJ and ISTJ and ESFJ. One by one, people start coming to the table. Somebody go get the ENFP. They're still in the basement. All of a sudden you hear something. Video's too long, getting timed out. Let me know if you want a part 2, and thanks so much for following. I'll do a part 2 if you follow. I want 20 new followers for Christmas. 100.